Plumbers, do you want to impress your builder and homeowner and a little guy like me? Let me show you how. I'm standing in the mechanical room at a house in Burnaby. Plumbers have finished all of their plumbing drains under slab. We've passed inspection. We have all the crushed rock has been leveled. We're going to put 4 inches of EPS insulation, vapor control layer, 4 inches of concrete, and we're going to cut off the drain at the top of this concrete slab. This is going to be our floor drain. We have a trap here. Now, if this was the only drain in this mechanical room, we got a problem. It's not smart, and here's why. Mechanical rooms house equipment like HRVs, air handling units, hot water tanks. These pieces of equipment have condensate drains. Where does this drain to? Well, too often I see with one drain in the middle of the floor, pipes on top of the concrete that act as a drain. Why is that a problem? Well, it's unsightly, it's a tripping hazard, and it'll probably stepped on, broken, needing repair. There's a better way, and Dispatch Plumbing has done it. Love to show you. Here we have an equipment drain. It's on the inside of our exterior wall. This has to get framed in and insulated. Now, any equipment on this wall will drain to here. This gets cut off at the height that we need it to be, but we have one over here as well. I have 2 equipment drains in this mechanical room and the floor drain. But here's the magic, and here's what makes this even better. These 2 equipment drains are plumbed in upstream from the trap. So that trap doesn't need a trap primer because these equipment drains are going to keep it full of water. And that is how we are able to keep this mechanical room neat, clean, and professional. Dispatch Plumbing, thank you.